Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we learned about the ngStyle directive, which is used to add dynamic styles to our HTML elements. In this video, we are going to discuss about the ngSwitch and ngSwitchCase and ngSwitchDefault. We will learn all these things through examples. So basically, ngSwitch is similar to the switch case or the switch statement inside any language, but in a simplified way. Like here, if we declare property, like here we will say of type string is equal to red, and inside here we will say the paragraph tag, and we'll say the ngSwitch, and inside here we will set it to color, and inside here we want to show the switch cases for this. Now we want to add a dynamic color to this I tag if the switch case is equal to anything, like here if we have red inside our switch case, then we want to show this to red and its style should be red. All of its color should be red, like here we can say color red. Now we will copy this and we will make 2 to 3, like here we can say green when it is green, blue when the switch case is blue, and black by default. Like here we will say this color should be green, this should be blue, and its color should be black by default. If we apply or don't apply, its color will be always black. And inside here we will say ngSwitchDefault, and inside here we'll say nothing. We'll say this. So now ngSwitchCase is equal to green, and inside here we'll say blue. Now if we go to the browser and serve our application, let's see what happens. So as you can see, the red is now shown because the case was matched with the red coming from the color. Now if we change it to like blue, so it should be blue here inside the browser. Now if we specify anything like sky blue, then there is no any case matching the sky blue value which is coming from the color property. Like here we have the red case. When we want to show this element when the case is made with the red, if the case is made with green, then we want to show this. But if the case is matched with the blue, we want to show the blue. But if the condition or if the case is not met with any of these three cases, we want to show this. So as you can see, black text is shown here into the browser because no case was met with these three. Because here inside here we have the sky blue, and inside these three cases we don't have any sky blue. If we change it to sky blue, so then it should be shown here. So sky blue or anything like sky blue, small sky blue. So the sky blue is now shown up here. Now this is a little bit about the ngSwitch directive, which is used to give us values or to evaluate something based on a condition. So thanks for watching the video and stay tuned for more video lectures like this one.